Hey guys, it's Philip. So today we're making a video on good angles you can do to make your drawings look more dramatic, and it definitely helps to make your drawings look a lot better. And so yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Shout out to Georgia for my last video, for coming up with the blindfold challenge, and shout out to Surgey because yeah, so this is the video. Alright guys, so these are just some demonstrations of ways you can, make your drawings look more dramatic. And so here is a demonstration of an ant's eye view, where everything is curved like this, okay? So everything is, curved this way, like right here. See, all the lines are like this, right here. And then, see, even where the center line for the head or eyes are, that's curved. And so, even from like a bird's eye view, you can do the same. It's just going to be going curved like this. Right there, okay? But another tip would be, because to make the things that are the things you want to be farther away are going to be smaller, like right here. See, this is closer up, so you're going to make this bigger. But this is smaller, so it's going to be, this is farther away, so it's going to be smaller. And then these just gradually get bigger, and this is the closest. And you can do the same thing with the bird's eye view. See, this is the biggest, and then it gets smaller right here. So this is just a demonstration of that, but here is a demonstration for the bird's eye view. See, all the lines are curved like this, and then you can see the top of the shoulders right here, and the feet are they're farther away, so they're gonna be the smallest. And then, so another demonstration is, this is just from straight on, okay? It's not very interesting, it's not very exciting. And so, how to make it more exciting is just, besides this just being straight across, make it curved, and then besides this being like this regular chin or whatever, you can do it like this, where it comes up like this, and then you can most of the neck you can't really see, but yeah, this chin is going to be like that instead of this, and then the center line is going to be curved like that. And then this is one where you're seeing like a really nice angle, where he's kind of turned sideways. It's not straight on. And I really like this one because it makes it even more dramatic. And you're still going to have the lines curved like this, but yeah, it still looks really nice. Another demonstration of this is a scarecrow I drew, where you can see the underside of everything, like especially right here, and the hat, and under the arms, besides seeing the top. So everything's going to be curved like this, and even the head, and the center line for the eyes. So that's really cool. This guy is he's like turned to the side for the angle. The camera would be like turn to the side. If it was moved like right here, then this would be straight or whatever. So that's another way to make it more dramatic. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope that helped y'all out with making your drawings more dramatic. And see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And bye.